The alarm annunciator is a key component of industrial control systems. It's used to monitor a system's status and to alert operators of normal conditions. In this video, I'll give you an overview of the Omni micro alarm annunciator. In the rear of the Omni Micro, it has 8 potential free contact inputs on plug-in terminals, a group relay output, and a choice of power supply options: 12 volts DC, 20 to 60 volts DC, or 85 to 264 volts AC. The Omni Micro is the smallest in the Omniflex alarm annunciator range, with the front fascia measuring only 96mm wide by 48mm high, making it ideal for space-restricted applications. On the side of the unit, you have 8 dip switches, allowing the user to set any one of the 22 industry standard alarm sequences, along with 8 dip switches for setting the input status as normally open or normally closed. It is a fully self-contained panel-mounted alarm annunciator with push buttons for silence, acknowledge, reset and test, with a built-in sounder. The unit is provided with a template and clear films for the user to print the window text via laserjet printer. By removing the front lens and fitting the chosen window template, the unit can be used as an 8-channel, 4-channel, 2-channel or single-channel alarm annunciator. On powering up the annunciator, and also when pressing silence and test, the Omni Micro will perform a self-health check to ensure the unit is healthy. If there is an operational fault discovered during the health check, this is identified by a number of windows staying illuminated. Pressing the acknowledge button ends the health check. Test button is used for testing all of the LEDs. On an alarm condition, the Omni Micro will sound and display the flashing alarm windows. Once acknowledged, the alarm LED will go steady. For this example, we have set the sequence for manual reset. Therefore, the alarm will only be reset by pressing the reset button. This will only clear the alarm window if the input status has returned to healthy. Here's a summary of the key features.